morning. Today we are in the East Bali, Karangasem, and actually we walking in Candidasa, and this is the famous
lotus pond in Candidasa, where people come here just to make picture for the Instagram. Yeah, so we see nowadays not many people here, but there are some kids out here. They're just, you know, like fishing in the pond. Candidasa Beach is actually famous for snorkeling, diving. As you see that many fishermen boat will take you to the ocean to do snorkeling. Right, so after walking Candidasa, now it's time to have a coffee. Let's come inside.
Hello, welcome Love Cafe, Candidasa.
Do you have hot cappuccino, yeah?
Yeah, we have cappuccino.
That's for me.
Yeah, hot cappuccino.
Please. Thank what you have.
One more hot cappuccino. Yes.
My cappuccino is coming. Nice coffee.
Alright, so now I already have hot cappuccino and also this one chocolate cheesecake with the ice cream. I can't wait to try this one.
Looking nice.
Yes, that's true.
It's just hard because like I don't know where
Nice.
So good.
Alright, the coffee was very nice. The loaf in Candidasa.
What year is it?
1984.
Where did you buy it?
In the Pasar, custom made.
You buy it or rent it?
I buy it.
Oh, nice. How much you pay?
A lot.
I believe so.
Good price.
Yeah. So cool, right?
Nice ride.
Alright, so now we are in Pantai Candidasa Beach in East Bali, Karangasem. Beautiful. So like I told you before, this beach is famous for snorkeling and also diving center. As you see later on, when we walk over there, we will see so many dive centers here in this area.
This beach is not easy to walk. It's very rocky one, as you can see.
Yeah,
But it's nice.
it's nice. So many rocks. Look at the coral, beautiful white. But this beach actually so many rocks around. It's not many sands on it, but still beautiful. As you know, when we walk here, we met many local fishermen who offer us for snorkeling, like snorkeling bus. But I know This place is very famous for snorkeling and diving.
They just rescued the kite. So nice.
Beautiful place. You can see the over there beautiful hills.
And over there is Nusa Penida.
Yes. Over there is Nusa Penida. Very close by. We are in front of one diving center in Candidasa. As you see here, closed.
Closed.
Yeah. There are many, but still closed. Alright, so that's our day in Candidasa. As you see,
So hot,
so hot,
but it's so
beautiful,
nice.
and then we already had a coffee, the best coffee in Candidasa in the Loaf Cafe. Beautiful. I really love the coffee.
I
and the
like
cake.
it. Alright, so that will be enough for today's vlog. Like always, please subscribe and see you tomorrow.
Bye.